Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or who are Jamaica's real YouTube millionaires. Not rumors, not hype. The creators who consistently earn big, month after month, across vlogging, humanitarian, family content, and street reality. Today, we reveal Jamaica's top 5 biggest earners, the ones on the same level, plus the mid-tier earners and the future millionaires rising fast. And trust me, the results might shock you. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, the home of Jamaica's digital powerhouses. This ranking is based on public subscriber counts, real view numbers, visible engagement, overseas audience strength, brand deals, donations, and off-platform support. These are the creators who built real digital wealth. Let's begin with the Big 5, Jamaica's top-tier earners. The Big 5, Jamaica's highest earners. Drizzy Burke. Drizzy Burke is one of Jamaica's most consistent earners. With powerful walkthroughs, international travel, street culture, and community moments, Drizzy attracts a massive overseas audience. His 2 channels, including Walking TV Family, generate strong, steady revenue every month. Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By has become the face of raw Jamaican street reality. With hundreds of millions of impressions and heavy US viewership, this channel earns big, especially during spikes such as hurricane coverage or social impact episodes. Meet the Mitchells. Tammy and Wayne Mitchell built more than a channel. They built a polished lifestyle brand. Their corporate sponsorships, family storytelling, and massive diaspora fan base give them one of the strongest earning portfolios in Jamaica. Anty Donna, Donegal dominates the cooking humanitarian lane. Her daily uploads, viral cooking clips, loyal diaspora fan base, and Facebook presence give her steady high monthly revenue. She's easily one of Jamaica's most influential earners. Colaz Smith TV. Colaz Smith has built a full ecosystem. Socks, Canta, Teabag, Josh, Ratty, all rising under his mentorship. His humanitarian projects, home repairs, and long-format storytelling attract extremely high engagement overseas. Colaz is a top-tier Jamaican earner without debate. Let's look at the mid-tier earners, strong income level. These creators earn solid 4-figure monthly and sometimes more, depending on uploads and viral spikes. Socks Adventures, J-Bud the Baker, Canta Spearfishing J.A., Teabag Lifestyle, Ratty Adventures. They deliver consistent views, strong engagement, and rapidly growing support. They are only one viral run away from entering the Big 5. And there you have it, Jamaica's Big 5 YouTube millionaires, the true high earners of 2025, along with the mid-tier earners and rising stars. These creators prove that Jamaica's digital space is strong and getting stronger by the day. Tell me in the comments who surprised you, who should join the Big 5 next year, and which ranking should CCNWORL TV News do next. Thanks for watching. Big up on yourself every time. This is CCNWORL TV News signing out.